India has long been known as the land of agriculture. For over 10,000 years, our farmers have cultivated a diverse range of crops, over 100,000 rice varieties, native wheat, lentils, oilseeds, fruits, and vegetables. These crops have been carefully selected and passed down through generations, ensuring they thrive in local climates, soil types, and cultural traditions. But today, this natural wealth is vanishing. Why? The rise of hybrid seeds. These scientifically developed seeds promised higher yields, faster growth, and better resistance to diseases. And while they have transformed agriculture, they have also led to a decline in India's traditional crop biodiversity. What are hybrid seeds? How have they changed Indian farming? And what is the long-term impact on our environment, food security, and farmers? Let's take a closer look. Hybrid seeds are developed by crossing two parent plants to combine desirable traits such as faster growth, higher yield, resistance to diseases, and uniform size and shape. This process was introduced on a large scale in India during the Green Revolution 1960-70s, when food shortages led the government to adopt high-yielding hybrid crops to boost production. Today, hybrid seeds dominate major crops like wheat, rice, maize, vegetables, and cotton. But these seeds come with a hidden cost. They're not self-sustaining. Unlike traditional seeds, hybrid seeds do not produce the same quality offspring. Farmers must buy new seeds every season instead of saving and replanting them like their ancestors did. This dependence on corporations for seeds raises critical questions about food security and farmer autonomy. The rise of hybrid seeds has led to the decline of India's rich agricultural diversity. Here's how. Farmers are replacing their native varieties with high-yield hybrids. India once had 110,000 rice varieties. Today, only a few dozen are widely grown. Hybrid farming encourages large-scale monoculture, growing a single crop over vast areas. This reduces genetic diversity, making crops more vulnerable to pests, climate changes, and soil degradation. Hybrid crops require higher amounts of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and irrigation. Over time, soil health deteriorates, water resources are depleted, and pest resistance increases. Unlike traditional farmers who saved seeds for the next season, today's farmers must buy hybrid seeds every year. This creates economic stress, especially for small-scale farmers who cannot afford rising input costs. The very seeds that promised prosperity are now pushing farmers into a cycle of debt and dependency. Across India, farmers have had mixed experiences with hybrid seeds. The Green Revolution increased wheat and rice production, but at a heavy price. Excessive chemical use led to soil infertility and groundwater depletion. Bt cotton was introduced as a pest-resistant hybrid, but over time, pests evolved resistance. Many farmers faced crop failures, financial losses, and even farmer suicides. Some farmers are returning to indigenous crops like millets and heirloom rice. These crops require less water and no chemical fertilizers, making them more sustainable. The lesson is clear. India needs a balance between scientific advancements and preserving traditional agricultural wisdom. How can we protect India's agricultural future while maintaining food security? Local seed banks are preserving heirloom crops that are naturally resilient to pests and climate change. Farmers are reviving old varieties to reduce dependency on hybrid seeds. Crop rotation, organic farming, and mixed cropping can restore soil health and biodiversity. Farmer-led movements are fighting for the right to save and share seeds, reducing corporate dependency. If we embrace these solutions, we can preserve our food heritage and build a resilient agricultural system. Hybrid seeds have transformed agriculture, but at a great cost to biodiversity and farmer independence. It's time for a more sustainable, balanced approach, one that values both innovation and tradition. Together, we can ensure that India's agricultural legacy thrives for generations to come. This project was prepared by Sejal, Riddhi, and MD. Akhlaq. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the farmers, researchers, and experts who shared their insights, our mentors and supporters who guided this project, and special thanks to those working to protect India's agricultural biodiversity. Let's support sustainable farming because the future of food is in our hands. Thank you for watching.